After Kailey installed the rebuilt Holley 4160 on her 289 and adjusted the idle settings, the Mustang ran really well. Cold starts were good. Hot starts were good if you turned the engine off and immediately restarted it. But if you let the hot engine sit for a few minutes, it was extremely hard to start and you'd have to floor it. We guessed that the problem was heat soak. The engine is really hot internally and coolant is no longer carrying heat away, nor is the fan moving any air, nor is cool gasoline coming in, so the carburetor heats up enough for fuel in the bowls to boil over into the intake manifold, making the engine really hard to start. We thought replacing the aluminum spacer with a phenolic spacer might solve the problem. And you know what? It totally did. This is going to be a test with the new black spacer under the carburetor. Comments and questions are always welcome, and they help other viewers. Thank you for watching.